guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are doing a quick pillowcase. I want to show you just like a little hack that I use. I think it's pretty clever. I don't know if you've seen it before, but basically you just take a pillow, any pillow that you want to cover. This one is just like an orange pillow, and take a napkin slightly bigger than the pillow. The reason I like napkins is that they're pre-cut finished squares of fabric and you can get them in all sorts of cool colors and sizes. So basically just find one that's the same shape as the pillow you want to cover, slightly larger, and get two of them. That's going to be the cover, and we are going to sew them together and leave a little flap on the top. But yeah, just a super fast, easy way to make a pillowcase. I'm going to show you what I mean about the flap on the top. Basically, we're just going to sew three ends together, leave the top open. The great thing about using a napkin is that the top's already finished. You don't have to worry about making a seam or making a nice edge or making it straight. It's already done for you, so it's fantastic. And basically we're just gonna leave the top open so that it can like fold over on itself, and if it bothers you, put that side of the pillow down. But this is great to leave a side open, because then if something happens or someone spills something on your pillow, or it's just getting a lot of wear and tear, you can take the pillow out and wash the cover. So it's very important to either leave an open side or add a zipper or a button or whatever you prefer if you really want to close. But yeah, napkins are a great option for recovering pillows to quickly change up the look of an item. Super easy and no struggle, especially if you're relatively new at sewing like I am. I mean, I've been doing it for a few years, but very sporadically. So any cheats I can get to make stuff look good and look professional when I am DIYing them, I will take. I'll link what you need down below. I got a great sewing machine. It's a Brother sewing machine, and if you haven't seen, I recently made a ball gown. I will link it above because it's an awesome video. You should check it out. But this sewing machine, I could not believe it. It just like actually powered right through it. I thought for sure I was gonna break it. I thought for sure I needed like one of those heavy duty industrial ones, but they make good sewing machines. So I'll link that below. You can get your pillow and napkins, basically any kind you want. I'll link a couple of cute ones below along with my socials, and let's get going. Okay, I have my sewing machine all set up and I want to sew this inside out, so I'm going to put the tags on the outside and just line my napkins up. I'm not even gonna bother pinning these because they are the exact same size, exact same shape. Thank you, pre-bought items. So just line them up, keep the edges together, and I'm going to attempt to sew right on that seam but slightly below so it's nice and finished, so when we turn it inside out, it will be a lovely finished seam, just like that. So here we go. Okay, so I'm back, and here's basically what we have so far. Just kind of seamed together, so perfect. And these little lines and stuff, that's just because it's been folded in the drawer for a while, but this will come out in the wash, or you can iron them, so don't worry about that. But basically what I'm going to do is continue my seam here and here, same as I did on the side, just leave one side open right up here. So turn it inside out again and just finish your two seams, and I'll come back when I've got those complete, and then we'll put in our pillow cover and basically be done. Like, this is a really easy way to do it. So that's kind of the point, but yeah, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so all three sides are sewn up and I have something that looks like a little sack. It's rectangular. There's more room up at the top. This is because the napkins were a little bit bigger than my pillow, but that allowed for the seams. So perfect. And what we're gonna do is just go ahead and stuff our pillow inside. Okay, so once you've got your pillow stuff inside, it's gonna look something like this. So pillowcase with a little bit extra on top. And what you can do at this point is one of two things. Well, actually 3 or 4. You can add a zipper or a button or anything you want, but I did not finish my pillowcase all the way up with the seams. I did leave split seams on both sides, and what you can do is either just fold it over and call it a day and flip it over backwards and be done with it, or what I like to do, which I think just looks a little bit cleaner and more polished, is just leave one side out and then take the other side and just stuff it down in the pillow in front of it like that, and then take this side, which is above it, and stuff it down right on top of it, same side of the pillow, just like this. Kind of stick your hand in there so it's a nice smooth edge. Give it a little tug so that the edge is nice and clean, and you're just left with a line like that. So this can go upright on your couch, no problem. You can put it upside down to hide it a little bit, but it doesn't matter, and then it's easy access. You can always, get in there and get the pillow if you need to take it out and wash it. Or, like I said earlier, if these lines bother you, I'm not someone who's ever been bothered by these lines in fabrics or wrinkles in clothes. Like, I really just tune them out and don't even see them. But I have a couple friends who this just drives them crazy. And if they see wrinkles on clothes, it just drives them crazy. So if that's something that bothers you, you can either, I think it'll come out in the wash, or iron the napkin either before you make the pillowcase or, after, before you stuff the pillow in it. Basically, anytime before you stuff the pillow in it would be the easiest, and just take care of that. But yeah, I think this is a super easy little hack, a great way to change up the colors and just decor of your couch and little accent pieces. So I hope you liked the hack. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. If you want to subscribe to see more of my channel, DIY hacks, tutorials, and some fun excursions I go on, please do so. I'd love to see you here again. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.